Now I'm going to show you how to effectively do a lunge. I'm holding my weight here. You may have dumbbells, you can cross the weight in front of your chest, you may have a barbell. Whichever weight you're holding, it's really important that your shoulder blades are drawn down and you're really tucking your elbows in. Again, apple under your chin, look straight ahead. Step back with one leg, tuck your tailbone underneath, come up first. The position of your feet should be exactly hip width apart, that's the width of your hip joint. Lifting through your core. Imagine you're sliding your back down the wall as you go down. There's no forward motion, it's a vertical drop and then lift straight back up. So you vertically drop down, you push through the heel of the front foot and the ball of the back leg and lift straight back up. Hey, well done, that's fantastic. You completed the video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Every time we get a new subscriber, it enables us to go a little bit further up in the algorithms and enables us to earn some money so that we can produce more free content for you. So the more subscribers we get and the more likes we get, the more we can do that.